So I think my dangerous idea is really how do we answer the question of recognizing quality in all the different aspects of the decision making that is required to make evidence-based practice. So we know from Dave Sackett's 3 circles that we need the evidence, we need the patient experience, the patient values, and we need the clinician experience. We're also hearing that is influenced by the context of the organization where people work. And I guess the challenge I have for us is in the evidence-based medicine community is how do we really look at the quality of those other circles. We know from the research evidence circle how to assess quality. We've got a lot of work has been done in terms of critical appraisal skills, reporting guidelines and checklists about how to look at quality and the chance of bias. But how do we really measure and identify the quality in the areas of clinician experience, patient values, and also the area of the context? How does the organizational context influence? We need to be quite rigorous in the way that we look at these other areas, and they're messy. So there's not a linear sort of checklist, but there are patterns that are emerging, and there's patterns that we recognize will demonstrate the difference between a clinician with a lot of good experience and one with not so much. And similarly, the organizational context, we're recognizing that certain components of that are important and others are less important. So I think it's about needing to research and understand those contexts, those other circles in a lot more detail to be able to measure and document quality.